So here's overnight, a couple of showers overnight. By tomorrow morning, 8 o'clock, very isolated shower activity. We get that onshore wind to pick up. That will mean a few showers will blow on in through the afternoon. But again, we're getting rid of the big severe thunderstorm threat for at least a couple of days, a few days actually, before we'll start to see more thunderstorm action later in the weekend. So by 7 a.m. Thursday, some isolated showers too, and then watch everything kind of push towards the inland areas on Thursday. So we've dropped those rain chances there, and then bring them back up by Sunday. The next frontal system moves on through and brings us the chance for some storms. Small craft caution tomorrow with the wind picking up. That means rip current threat picks up too with that straight onshore wind turning more southeast on Thursday, keeping it real choppy there, and it lightens up on Friday. Mid-80s, though, into the weekend. Some better rain chances coming Sunday and Monday, but then drying out on Tuesday.